Putting the Apple gift card on your phone is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. You can check for updates in the Settings app under General and then Software Update. Launch the App Store on your iPhone. The App Store icon is typically a blue icon with a white A. In the upper right corner of the App Store, you should see your profile picture or initials. Tap on it to access your account. Scroll down until you find the Redeemed Gift Card or Code option. Tap on it. You will have the option to either enter the gift card code manually or use your device's camera to scan the code. If you have a physical card, scratch off the label to reveal the code. If you choose to enter the code manually, type in the 16-digit code. If you're using the camera, align the code within the frame, and your iPhone should automatically recognize and redeem it.